Hi there! Have you ever encountered the CredSSP Encryption Oracle Remediation error when trying to connect to your VPS using remote desktop? Don't worry, we've got a quick and effective fix for you. In this video, we'll walk you through the exact steps to resolve this issue and get you back into your VPS smoothly. First, press the Start Windows menu on your keyboard. Type CMD in the search bar. Then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Next step, copy the following command. Then, paste the command into the Command Prompt window. Right-click to paste. Execute the command by press Enter. If successful, you'll see the message. The operation completed successfully. You can now close the Command Prompt window. Last step, reconnect to your VPS via RDC. Launch remote desktop connection and log back into your VPS or server. To provide further clarity on resolving the CredSSP Encryption Oracle Remediation error, here are 5 frequently asked questions and their answers. And that's how you fix the CredSSP Encryption Oracle Remediation error. Fast and easy. We hope this solution helps you stay connected to your VPS without any interruptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.